Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this Leetcode problem. Uh, this is 2011, belongs to various category. So let's see these examples. Ultimately, what they asking is like there are some certain operations like so this is pre-addition and post-addition, pre-subtraction and post-subtraction in this way. So there are some variables, and if you have this minus minus symbol, and it will do subtraction. If you have plus plus symbol, it will do addition. So ultimately, if you do these kind of operations, what is the end outcome you are getting? So that is the challenge that they are asking, and how you going to solve this. See this example, there are plus 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 all the pluses, that's why you got the outcome as 3. So this is 1 plus 1 and plus 1 2, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 0. So at the end you got the output as 0. So ultimately what you have to perform is like how many plus are there, you have to add that, how many minus are there, so you have to subtract that from the result, then you can get the outcome. So that's it. So we can do some string operations based on that. There is one method which is known as contains in strings. So based on that we can solve most of the logic. So let's see this example. So we'll take the outcome initially. This is the outcome count we want, it is a 0, and we'll take the for loop because we want to iterate each one. For I it's a variable, and the int is a, so you can do this operation. So you can take these operations, and so just check these conditions if str of I. So using this dot underscore underscore contains underscore underscore. So you can give this as a, so you can symbol. Okay, so minus is there obviously. So if this condition satisfies, then what you have to do, so outcome initially given 0, so then you have to assign outcome minus equal to 0, minus equal to 1. So that means like whatever value we have, so outcome become out, whatever value you have in the outcome, that will be subtracted by minus 1. So else what we can do, so outcome plus equal to 1. So that's it, and at the end you can return the outcome. So let's run this. Okay, what is this? It's not a, what outcome equal to 0, what type of non is valid. uh, okay, for I in operations, for each, for I in operations, we got this str of I dot contains type. Name is contains minus, let's see, print of, let's get the I or not. See this. Okay, we got this minus minus and plus 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 as well. After that, if str of I dot contains minus, and we are doing this. Initially minus 1, initially we are doing this plus 1. Where we missed this logic, we have to check. Name is not a valid value for the expected return. It is getting outcome only. Okay, got it. So here we forgot the return statement. See, these are the blunders we used to make. Okay, so these are the minute mistakes actually we used to do. So most of the logic is same. So this print statement is also not required actually. So I just verified whether it was getting the thing. So whenever function we are doing, we have to use this return statement. Otherwise, it won't work, right. So these kind of silly mistakes we'll do. So I hope you got the clarity. So what is the logic, and Let me submit this. Yep, it was done. Okay, in this way we can solve this problem. So we'll see the next problems in the next tutorials. Thank you.